Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss the difference between the money market and the capital market, which is one of the most important question when we appear for BCom, BBA, MBA or MCom exams. As we know that financial market is a place where buyers and sellers trade various financial assets like bonds, stocks, debentures. So the money market and the capital market are the two main important components, or we call it constituents of Indian financial market. The detailed lectures related to money market and capital market are available on my channel. So in this lecture we will only focus on difference between the money market and the capital market. So whenever you have to differentiate between any two items, then you should always mention the basis on which they are differentiated. So let's begin with the definition. So money market deals in short term financial instruments, or we can say in money market lending and borrowing of security is done for a shorter time period. On the other hand, in the capital market, long term securities are traded. And from maturity point of view, money markets have maturity up to 1 year, while the maturity in case of capital markets is more than 1 year. So based on the nature, we can say that the money markets have an informal type of system, whereas in capital market the system is fully formal, or we call it a structured and regulated system. So capital market is also known as the regulated market. Then money market is highly liquid and capital market is comparatively less liquid. By liquidity we mean how fast we can convert an asset into cash. The commercial papers, the T-bills, certificate of deposits are various money market instruments, whereas bonds, debentures, shares are capital market instruments. Then from risk point of view, the risk involved is very low in case of money market, whereas the capital markets are more risky as compared to the money markets. Then the money market serves the purpose of meeting the short term credit requirements of the investors, whereas if the investors need long term credit, they opt for capital markets. Then the money market is mainly responsible for increasing the flow of money into the economy, or we can say it increases the liquidity in the economy, whereas capital market stabilizes the economy of the country, and the capital market play a very important role in the growth of the nation. Then as we know that risk involved is less, so the return on investment is usually low in case of money market, but if you need high returns on investment, then you should invest in the capital market. The institutions which are involved in money market are the central bank, commercial bank, the acceptance houses, whereas the stock exchanges, non-banking institutions like insurance companies, LIC are main instruments of the capital market. Now I hope the concept of money market and capital market is clear, as we have discussed the differences in detail. I have summarized the differences in this figure. In coming lectures we will discuss some more such differences. So kindly subscribe to my channel for more simple and short lecture sessions, especially related to BBA, BCom, MBA and MCom. Thank you.